Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this easy and quick makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So what I first start with is with my eyebrows. They're looking a little crazy, but I'm going to try to fix it. And I use the Milani dark brown in the shade 5 and this eyebrow thing, and I just go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And after that, I go ahead and use my Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. It's the Sand Sable number 20, and it's like a light medium. And I go ahead and conceal my eyebrows because, as you can see, I haven't done them in a while and they're looking crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. After I do my eyebrows, I go ahead and conceal with the same concealer, then blend it with my beauty blender. The concealer is done, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation in my face. I can't find the foundation, but I know it's the Fit Me one. I have this travel size one, so this is the one I'm going to be using. Go ahead and take some in my beauty blender. I know it's dirty, don't kill me. It's dirty, I know. After I'm done blending my foundation, I go ahead and put on some of this Fit Me powder. Is number 222. My next step will be contouring. I use the e.l.f. contour palette. After that, I go ahead and use my e.l.f. Blush palette with a brush as well. Just take all the colors, tap it, and put a little bit on my cheeks. After that, I move on to my eyes. Usually what I do is I take the bronze palette and I just use one of the colors. So I use either this one or that one and apply it to my crease. I like my everyday makeup to look more natural, so that's what I do. I don't do a lot with my eyeshadow. I just put a brownish tone shade in my eyelid and give it a go. Now my eyes are done, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm going to be applying it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlighter. This is the ColourPop Whips, and as you can see, is almost gone because I love it so much. My last step would be my lips, and what I usually use is this e.l.f. Fit in Pink I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Like, I love, and I have repurchased this so many times. What I do not like is that this part over here breaks. Like, literally, I have purchased this like probably more than 7 times, and every single time this part over here of the packaging breaks. I love this shade. Like, I haven't found another shade that looks this good on me than this one, so this is the reason why I keep repurchasing it. But the annoying part is that it actually breaks every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lips. Alright guys, so makeup is done. This is what I do on an everyday basics when I go to work or when I feel like doing my makeup. It doesn't take that much time, it's effortless, and honestly, I love it. I love how simple, you instantly look put together, but you don't put in a lot of effort into it, which I love, because I don't like spending hours. I'm sorry. If you like to spend hours doing your makeup, go girl. But I do not personally like spending so much time on my makeup, especially every single day. So this is what I do. It is effortless. It takes me probably like 10 to 15 or a little bit less if I'm in a rush. This makeup is gonna be done in like 10 minutes. Yes. But when I'm not, it probably would take me like 20. So it doesn't take that much. So this is the final look. If you guys like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you in the next one. Bye.